Hello everyone, this is Arcalia Lunaire from This Wiccan Girl. I'm pretty sure Freyas Cauldron boxes have always been white, but for some reason I can't remember. But we've got a brown one this month. Let me know if they've always been brown. I may have to go and look at some videos that I've done. But hey, we have got the Freyas Cauldron box here, and I am super excited for this box. So, I am just going to pop this to the side and take one thing out at a time because I can't fit the whole thing in the frame. So we have got our sheets here. I'm not going to let you see them properly because it tells us what is in the box. Okie dokie. So the first thing on top of the box is this large envelope, and I'm pretty sure it's the card because we got the Beltane one last time. Oh, I can't get it out. Yes, it is. This is the Litha altar card. So this is what it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. So it tells you about the colours, the gods, goddesses, altar decorations, trees and plants, incense, crystals, oils. So not only is it gorgeous and perfect to put up on your altar during the Sabbath, but it also helps you in decorating your altar. So it tells you what colours to use and all that kind of thing. So this is absolutely perfect and I love it. We have got... Oh, I've picked up two things here. We have got an Angelite Tumblestone in this month's box, so let me just pull that out. I don't believe I've got any Angelite. So, oh wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. How pretty is that? Let me just show you actually what I have been doing with my crystals. So what I've been doing, I've bought these stickers off of eBay, and these are from Amazon, these little cases, and I've just been popping. This is a bracelet that I accidentally broke. The cat got a claw stuck in it, so I've just popped all the little bits in there. But it's perfect for popping your crystals in there. So I'm just going to pop that in there, and that's going to be perfect for when I need it, basically. In fact, I'm going to take it out because I haven't finished unboxing. Getting ahead of myself. But yeah, that's just something that I saw, believe it or not, on, what's it called now? That video thing. TikTok. Somebody did it on TikTok and I thought it was awesome, so I copied the idea. Okay, we have got a sodalite crystal bracelet. I absolutely love crystal bracelets. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Look at the blues in that. That is just absolutely stunning. Yes. Oh, look at that one. It's gorgeous. I am happy with that. I love a good bracelet. We have Solstice Manifestation Ritual. So we've got a ritual here for Litha. Litha is our summer solstice. So you get a piece of A5 paper in here, so it's perfect to put in your little book of shadows. Oh, tells you a few things that you need here. Oh, there's me knocking everything out of the way. So you get this A5 spell sheet. We've got an orange candle, a yellow bag, and it's like a little mini sun tarot card there. And a yellow candle as well. Obviously, perfect for the summer solstice. I love that. That's great. We have got some spell candles, obviously perfect for summer solstice. Again, we've got lime green, yellow, orange and black there. We get one of these every single month, and a candle oil, dressing oil, and this is solstice oil. Oh, we've got a little brown envelope here, so let's see what's in this. Oh, how cute is this? It's a Stonehenge pocket mirror. That is gorgeous. I love that. Our incense this month is Sun by Tulasi. They look lovely. Okay, our herbs. Again, we've only got 2 pots this month like we did last month. As far as I can see. Yeah, just 2 pots. So we have got the Sabbath of Litha, which is important. And we've got, oh, what's this? Go-To Cola. I'll have to have a sniff of this. Not heard of this one. Oh, just smells like green things. Go-To Cola. I'll have to have a look at the paperwork to see what that is for. And then we've got this really interesting looking thing in here. Oh, a big brown envelope. What is this, a plaque? No way! Look at this. It's, where did I see this written? A wheel incense plate. It's a Wheel of the Year incense plate. Oh my goodness. How incredible is that? And obviously you can have this on your altar all year round. Oh, that is pretty special. That is pretty special. So that's everything in the box this month. This has got to be my favourite thing this month. Got to be. So let me just go through. So everything in this box, apart from the candles, the Go-To Cola and the Tumblestone and bracelet and the incense sticks, everything else is box exclusives. I'm just trying to find where the... Right, Go-To Cola. Other names, Indian Pennywort. Magical properties are meditation, memory, balance, fertility, concentration, stamina and control. So that's really cool. Angelite is for spirituality, wisdom, inner and spiritual guidance, peace, compassion, communication, guardian angels, protection and love. The Sodalite bracelet is for healing, peace, meditation, wisdom, emotional balance, clarity and truth. Oh, so we got the little pocket mirror in our box, but we've also been given a mirror spell as well to put in our... Oh, and a rock spell. I love that she's now including spells to put into your Book of Shadows. So I'm really happy with that. Okay, so that's everything that is in the box this month, guys. Let me know what you think. I am incredibly happy yet again. This is definitely my favourite thing in the box. Let me know what you thought, and I will see you next week with another tarot walkthrough video. Ciao for now.